guys, Rubbish Truck First is back with another cool and amazing video. In today's video we have so much to do, it's unbelievable. So firstly we're going to head over to Brent Cross, we're going to go and tip this rubbish truck which I'm relaxing in right now, which has literally got over about 6 tons of rubbish, which is going to cost us literally £1,000 or above the tip, but I'm going to tell you that once we get to the plane. So yeah, make sure to stick around for the full video. We're going to be filling up the rubbish truck again. As you can see, I'm sitting inside of it, but yeah, as you can see, I'm going to show you guys something. So you guys probably wouldn't notice that of a rubbish truck, but when this is all the way back, the rubbish truck is literally full. It stinks so bad. Oh my. Let's see if there's anything left in there. Yep, let's come all the way forward. Normally it's back if you watch any of my other videos, but yeah, make sure to go ahead now and drop a like, comment and subscribe. Dad, what are you actually doing? Is that water?
No.
What is it?
Diesel.
It's what?
Diesel.
It's not diesel, is it? Because it's blue. But what is this red stuff as well? Let's see. This is AdBlue. I don't know what that is. So you're filling up with blue diesel today, are you?
All is water.
And why is the water blue?
It's anti-freeze point.
That's not water, is it? There we go. Finally at the mechanic. Dad, why is this mechanic in the middle of nowhere? Because it's cheap. Oh well. As you can tell from the last clip, right now we are at the mechanic, which is situated in Cheshunt, and we have came in because we believe that there is a problem with the battery because it is not charging. Let me get outside. See, the battery is there, and yeah, so pretty much the battery is not charging because we left it for 10 days, and after that now the battery lights are appearing on red, and we do not want it to break down on the roadside because for a tow it costs about £700, and it's going to be like another 200 for the battery to get replaced. So that's definitely something we don't want happening. So right now my dad's going inside to get the mechanic to come outside and have a look at it, and then after this we're going to head over to the tip, which is in Enfield. I did say Brent Cross earlier, but we're not going there anymore because I remember that there's one in Enfield. So yeah, make sure to stick around for the whole video, guys. This is how he tilts the cab forward. There we go. Weird seeing the truck like this. How come you never turned it off?
Someone's been under here. I know it wasn't you, you don't know how to do it. Oh, someone's been under here. Because when I let that down, right, I can turn that, and pump it down, it goes right. Okay. And I just, when I pull that out, it goes down, we're done. So that's on the downward, yeah? It is, well. Right, well it wasn't when I turned it and put it on the downwards. Is it? So someone's been fishing around here.
Someone's been doing it.
Yeah. When did you last pick up? You got a load of bits and bobs and window and all sorts.
What about the guy that doesn't like the truck?
I've changed the oil and filter. Yeah, that's what that. Yeah, you know what? It's still on the same yard. Yeah, yeah.
You never know, Dad. So pretty much someone's been in it. Oh, look at it. Let's find the problem now.